All right, what's up, good people, man? I'm here. Of course, it's cold outside. Everybody knows that. I'm getting ready to tackle this trailer, man. I'm gonna put a fresh coat of paint on it, and I also have these beauties here that I'm gonna add. And some lights, man. I want to light this thing up, man. I saw some cool trailers out there. I'm gonna see if I can add some lights to mine and make it scream and holler too when I hit soap. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, y'all stay tuned. Those later. But yeah, I've already gone through and cleaned all this up, man, as best as I could. It's tight. It's a tight spot. I just use this as an auxiliary tank or whatever. Right now, it's Kim in there. Had a pretty nice size roof job I got to do. But I've gone through here and cleaned up all the wood, got rid of all the debris from the bed, and now I'm gonna go through here and paint the bed with a rhino liner, and I'm gonna touch up or paint the trailer itself to freshen it all up, and then I'm gonna add my lights on there. Y'all stay tuned. Nice and neat, just like I like it. Take all this stuff off. Already cleaned all that up. I'm gonna paint all this. It's a little bit of rust here. Clean that up. Overall, trailer's not bad. I do my best to paint it at least once and keep it touched up throughout the year. It's not too bad. Yep. Stay tuned.
It can open all doors to new relationships. And so you do have to burn sometimes what you have in order to have.
This is what it looks like once you put it on.
Poor people outstep.
This is a Sherwin-Williams product. This is a product that we use on chimney caps. It's an enamel. Corrosion resistance or prevents corrosion and all kinds of stuff. I decided to put this on the trailer, repurpose.
A Ferrari for $5,000 a month or whatever.
Looks great.
I know you're not rich. And every rich person isn't impressed by that because we know what it costs. You only impress poor people. And if you do it really early in your career, every rich person's like, man, you should be reinvesting that to get way fucking bigger. Now, if you're like an aficionado and you want to have lots of cars, that's like, again, it's different. It depends on the reason you're doing it. It's like, you shouldn't be cooking your own food.
All right, y'all got it done, man. Let's check it out.
Education doesn't matter. In any arena, there are only a handful of stars and even fewer superstars.
This is just the actual trailer itself. Haven't done the bed yet. I'll do that tomorrow. But I wanted to get this portion of it done first. All the black has been redone with an oil-based enamel, rust, corrosion prevention. Here's the other side. I even did, remember that? Remember what that looked like? That's still kind of wet. I just finished that portion, but it was rusted pretty bad. This is still wet also. I actually painted the inner metal portion down there. Yep, stay tuned.